college girl, but a freak on the weekend. I would be up in here jamming more if YouTube didn't have that copyright stuff, but you know, I'm not my business. To my fellow YouTubers, I would like to start a YouTube group chat. It can be on a social media, what site, if you're more comfortable with that, or a messenger, it doesn't matter. Basically just a bunch of YouTuber influencers all in one group chat. So when one posts a video, some type of, you know, support, it's just a huge group of us just supporting each other and lift each other up. Imagine you upload your video and you drop it in a group chat and you already have 20 people who's commented and liked your video. That will really make a huge difference. So if you're excited or interested in participating in the YouTube group chat, please comment below. You can say, I'm interested, or I would like to do it, and I will try to gather all the information that I can and we can start this YouTube group chat.
I just know, let me love me. Caught up in my tape.
What is up, my Chaz KB viewers? Listen, I know it's been a little minute, but your girl got 2 jobs and she a full-time student. It's been crazy, but I'm back with another video. Before we even get into this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for future content like this. Make sure to also comment something nice in the comment box. Without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. Some of the ingredients that you'll be needing today is Oreos, and as you can see, your girl already ate some. Oreo cookie, if you just, you know, want to kind of razzle dazzle some things, add a little something extra to it. It's gonna be optional, but for me, it's required. I need it. Some great value with topping. I love great value everything. If I would have seen great value Oreos, I probably would have got those too. Well, no, because I ain't even gonna lie, you just certain things you can't get in great value. Also got some great value buttermilk pancake mix, because this is what you're gonna need for the batter. Just stay tuned like this. You're going to need salt just in case you start a grease fire. Y'all, my cat back there tripping. You're gonna need salt in case you start a grease fire, because you just never know. It's always good to just have salt to the side anytime you're using anything with grease. And of course, you're going to need grease. So currently I have my grease on the stove. It was on high, but I cut it down to low. We're gonna take our pancake mix, y'all. And in this house, we don't measure nothing. We measure it by eye. And what I mean by eye, I mean, I see if it looks like it's good enough. So that looks good enough. I am just going to add a little bit of water. Nothing else, but on a budget. And try not to put too much water, because make sure you kind of jiggle with it when you do it. Pretty good, you know, kind of thick. So now what we're gonna do is take our Oreos. Oh, dang. Okay, we're gonna take our 4 little Oreos that we have, and this is exactly what you're gonna do. So you guys, while it's in the batter, cover it like this. And you're going to drop them in your batter. Now these ain't gonna cook for long. They're just fried Oreos. You're just trying to get them nice and brown. So drop them in your batter and let them fry. I would say you could do maybe 30 seconds to 40 seconds on each side and then take them out. So when you take them out, baby, they supposed to look like this right here. Look how pretty that thing look. It's about to be good. My hot girl summer been real lukewarm, okay? College girl, but a freak on the weekend. The cookout chicken sandwich with cheese. Spicy chicken sandwich. Cannot be the only person that listens to music while I cook or clean. I can't be. I would be up in here jamming more if YouTube didn't have that copyright stuff, but you know, I'm not my business. This is more of a good lit with Chaz than a freaking Oreo video. They're good. So our Oreos are done, and look at that, baby. Them things are fried to perfection. Okay, look at that. Do a little 360 for you. Matter of fact, let me put them on a good plate. I'm gonna put them on a good plate, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're going to take our fried Oreos, And we're gonna put, and this is the, and in here I have some cookies and cream, ice cream, which is kind of melted, not gonna lie, but I kind of like my ice cream soft like that. So I'm going to put a cookie here and a cookie there. Ooh. And then we're going to top it off, my good sis. Ooh, I'm gonna be thick this year, y'all. I'm gonna be thick. We're gonna top it off with some whipped cream. Let's see. All right, y'all, let's see. Maybe I should dip these in like chips, huh? Baby. Baby. I tell you, this is good. A light crisp to it. Good. Y'all, if you have not already tried it, try it. I hope you guys like the method that I did. Y'all, when I tell you this thing is busting, it is busting. You have to try it. If you end up trying it, tag me when you post it or comment and tell me what you think about it. Do all of that. I'm about to end this video. Please comment something that you would like to see me do in the future. But that would be all. I hope you guys enjoyed this lit YouTube Oreo tutorial. And I am about to get ready to smash these with my roommate. Video a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for future content like this. Also make sure to comment something in the description box that you, not the description, really. Make sure to comment something in the comment box that you want to see me do next. I'll see you later in my next video, my Chaz KB viewers.